Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get empty display name on Roblox. For that, first of all, you will have to come to this website, that is yttags.com/remove characters. I will also put the link of it down in the description, so make sure you check out that. Now over here in the find this in the next text tab, you will have to type your name. After that, you will have to type your name in this big section as well. Afterwards, you will have to come to this website, that is texttraverse.com. I will also put the link of it down in the description. So here you will have to click on copy to clipboard, and now you will have to go back to YT tags. Over here in the replace section, you will have to paste it, and then you will have to paste it again, and you will have to paste it again. Basically, you will have to click on the paste button or control plus V 3 times over here. Afterwards, you will have to click on the replace button, and now it will show you nothing over here. But this is the text, or this is the tricks that we are going to use. So here you need to simply click on the copy text option, and then you need to go to roblox.com. Afterwards, you need to click on this settings icon and click on the settings. Now once you are in your settings, your display name will be here, so you need to click on this pencil icon, and here you need to type your name and click on the save button. Now as you can see that it didn't change my name to the empty, but what you need to do is you just have to simply keep on trying and keep on trying, and you need to be as quick as possible with this method, and you will be able to get an empty display name in Roblox. So you will have to just be quick. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.